guys, hello, welcome to this, your favorite channel in YouTube, The Workshop. In today's video, as you can see, we are going to have a comic book reading session, but in this session, you are going to learn two things. Number one, you're going to learn all about names of fruits. And number two, you are going to recognize one element that earlier this week I showed you in a video when I said, or when I was talking about the brain, the human brain, and how the brain gets information in a new language. So, are you guys ready? Let's go. The name of the story, Bowling for Howlers. This is the night of the big bowling tournament, and you're all invited to view this amazing spectacle. Two of the finest teams in the Produce League will be competing tonight. The first team, Orange, featuring Orange, Pear, Marshmallow, and Grandpa Lemon. Next up is Team Durian, featuring Grapefruit, Coconut, Watermelon, and Durian. Durian? Where's Durian? Here I am, down at the snack bar. Did you ever notice how great root beer and jalapeno nachos taste together? Excuse me. Whoa, careful, Durian. You're liable to strip the varnish off the floor. Hey, are you saying I ain't fragrant? I'm saying I'm glad this isn't a smelling fruit contest, because you win it hands down if you had any hands. Well, this is a bowling contest, which is something else I'm really good at. Just watch me. Wow, a strike. He really is good at bowling. Yeah, well, watch me. I was the best bowler in the Pear League. Mind you, the other pears in the league weren't any too good either. That's because pears are not big and round like me. Grapefruit, a formidable foe in any alley. Stand back, Keith. I'll show you how we used to do it in the good old days. Yay! Look at Grandpa go! He's getting off to a fast start, all right, but can he sustain it? Maybe not. Coconut next! Nobody beat Coconut! Coconut beat everybody! My turn! Yay! Yay! Now it's time for Watermelon to do his thing. You're next, Orange. You're gonna have to get 5 strikes to beat my team. Whoa, he's even good at arithmetic. This calls for drastic measures. Well, go on already. What you waiting for? I go, but your smelling is much too compelling. Again with the smelly jokes. You know durians can't help being smelly. Show some sensitivity. I sure wish my nose was less sensitive. Come on, knock it off. Besides, you don't even have a nose. A nose is a nose is a nose. And a nose by any other name would smell your smelly smells just as much. Shut up, man. Just shut up. I'll get mad in a minute. Smelly smells, smelly smells, smelly smells. I said, shut up. Orange, what have you done? I got 5 strikes. What do you think? That means we win, right? You fool. You poor pity fool. Oh. Much later. Nice going, Orange. Not only did you destroy the only fruit-sized bowling alley in the neighborhood, but you also lost the game. Well, you can make an omelette without breaking a few. Lost the game? What do you mean? I got 5 strikes, didn't I? Yes, but you used durian's breath, giving them 9 strikes to our none. Oh, well, all smells that end smells. Yay! Okay, guys, so that was the story. I hope you learned about fruits like I said before. And I hope you also found that element, that grammar element that I told you I explained earlier this week. Before I go, hey, if you love the content of Geek Workshop, please subscribe, hit that button, turn the notifications on. In the meantime, thank you very much for being here. So long, take care, bye-bye.